You can't sneeze with your eyes open. Seriously, give it a try right now. No matter how hard you focus, your eyelids will snap shut every single time. You won't be able to. It's not just you. Everyone experiences this, and it's actually a universal human reflex. When you sneeze, your brain instantly triggers an automatic reflex that takes over your body for a split second. This reflex forces your eyes to shut tight, almost like a built-in safety mechanism. It happens because the same nerve network in your face controls both the sneeze and the muscles that close your eyelids. So, you're not actually choosing to close your eyes. It's completely out of your control. Your brain does it automatically, protecting your eyes from any particles or irritants. Follow StoryBlocks for one true story you won't believe. There's always more to discover.